Hi guys, so this is our next video, and there seems to have been a little bit of confusion regarding what we were trying to achieve, who I am and what I'm trying to do. So I want to just set the record straight for those who have a couple of comments. So first of all, the first criticism I had is, how can I speak to a camera while I'm driving? Well, the fact is that firstly, it's not illegal to speak when you are driving. Secondly, the fact that there's a camera is par for the course. And the camera is mounted, so I'm not holding it in my hand or anything, so it's not that I'm operating it by hand, and it's a cell phone mounted on a bracket in the center of the car. The next criticism was I shouldn't be looking at the camera. Well, when we drive in vehicles and have conversations, we look at our passengers and stuff like that in any event. Secondly, my mirror is actually just above my camera, so I often look at my mirror, so don't confuse the two. More importantly, if you are trying to tell somebody something to change their minds or to influence them, you have to occasionally make eye contact. Well, you can't see my eyes because of the mirror shades. The fact is that it doesn't affect my driving. I also had somebody cleverly comment that I'm not allowed to drive with my arm, or I shouldn't drive with my arm on the door because it should be on the steering wheel. Well, I'm a tall guy, so but the hand is on the steering wheel, look, and I'm still capable of driving. So just let's get that out of the way. And then I just want to place on record what this is about. Firstly, I'm not going to stand on a high ground pedestal, place myself in a position where I tell everybody what I think they should do by demonstrating how perfect I am. I'm not. Secondly, this is not a legal platform. I'm not trying to tell you about law. I'm trying to tell you about safety. The fact is that when you are driving in your motor vehicle, you are going to be driving as I am. You are going to be speaking to your passengers. You are not necessarily going to sit in a perfect 10-2 position in your vehicle. So I don't want to create the impression that I think, or that the video claims that I'm in any way better or perfect. More importantly, I'm trying to help people to prevent collisions and what to do when they have been involved in collisions. Occasionally I'll talk about hijacking, sometimes about personal security. The idea is not that I stand on a pedestal, look down upon people and try to create the impression that I am something I'm not. What is contained in our videos will pretty much be the way I am if you were with me, really. So on that point, my camera is skewed. So I'm not trying to be something I'm not, and I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I'm merely trying to share my thoughts. If you want to criticize, by all means, go ahead. I'm not going to be engaging too much in that, because I'm not going to take every moment and say, yes, but my hand was here and it wasn't there, or I did look at the camera occasionally, but I also look at the road. Where I'm driving in America, the roads are fairly quiet. There are not many other cars. I'm not driving in peak hour traffic, and there's not a lot of activity. So as far as I'm concerned, the videos will be about information, education and awareness, not some kind of claim to fame or some kind of impression that I know better, or better, act better, or that I'm in any way better than anybody. Those who do not want to take the advice are welcome to ignore it. Those who want to accept it are welcome to use it. Those who benefit from it, I'm happy for you. And those that don't, well, move on. It's not a matter of having to prove anything. A lot of people ask my opinion on a lot of things, and I share it with them. Sometimes I don't say all the right things. Sometimes I say things that people don't necessarily like or agree with. Deal with it. You're going to see a lot more of me and expect some more videos. Now, on that point, head down to the bottom, subscribe to our little channel. Please watch the future ones. My rants are over. I've said my piece, and in future I'll just move on happily. Thank you.